Hi, I'm Sharon Palmer, the plant-powered dietitian. Crunchy walnuts add a dose of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and many other plant compounds that can work together in the body to help lower inflammation and oxidative stress. It's no wonder that adding more nuts like walnuts to a health-promoting diet may act in ways that helps lower your cancer risk. In combination with fiber-rich whole grains and pulses, vegetables rich in vitamin A, lycopene, and lutein, this recipe for Walnut Cauliflower Glow Bowl is a great example of how you can help reduce your risk of cancer by eating a more plant-based diet. So now I'm going to show you how to make this earthy golden recipe, which is really a meal in a bowl. This Walnut Cauliflower Glow Bowl is packed with sweet potatoes, avocados, tomatoes, onions, spices, tahini, kale, quinoa, chickpeas, cauliflower, and walnuts. This Walnut Cauliflower Glow Bowl is simply sparkling with delicious, healthy flavors. You can turn to this recipe for meal prep. Create 4 nutritiously balanced meal bowls to last you for a week of healthful eating. Or assemble the ingredients and let everyone create their own beautiful bowl just the way they like it. Get the recipe at AICR.org and visit SharonPalmer.com for more plant-based recipes.